The next technique that we're going to try is a marbled finish on silk. This is a chiffon silk that I've pre-washed. You start somewhere near the edge of the fabric is logical, and you pull it down like this. And again, I'm going to use my leg as a wedge just to support the fabric, to assist me to get this elastic band on very, very, very tight. Because this fabric has such a loose weave, it needs to be completely constricted by the elastic band in order for you to get a clear pattern. This is quite a time-consuming technique, and although it's very beautiful, it will take you a while to finish this project. From there, you find another convenient space on the fabric and you pull it down, and the idea is that you're actually going to put elastic bands all the way from here to where that elastic starts over there. You actually want the elastic bands to run edge to edge all over the surface of the cloth. There they now meet, and I'm going to go and look for the next place to start the next one. There's a little bubble over here, that's always a good place to start. Pull the creases down. And we're going to find another place. And you'll continue in this manner until the whole piece of cloth has been used up.